In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the right YourChristian Debt app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to install the right app for your Android smartphone, you need to go ahead and look for Play Store on your Android smartphone. So if I go ahead and tap on Play Store, we have an option to search for the app by name, or you can also, if you can't see this bar, go ahead and tap on search down here. Now this will help you search for your app. So go ahead and search the app by name and then tap on search, and we have our app here. Now to know that this is the right app, it must be from Astera Solutions Limited, and at the time of recording this app has a star rating of 3.9 with over 8,000 reviews, and currently it has over 1 million downloads. Currently the file size for this app is 27 MBs. So that's the right information for this app, and you can see here is the logo. To download it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of YourChristian Debt app. Then your app will be installed. Once the app has been installed, now you are ready to start using it. You can go ahead and tap on open here, or now if you go to your apps, now you should be able to see your app here. From here now you can launch your app, and this is the welcoming logo, and the home interface for YourChristian Debt app is here. So that's how you can install the right YourChristian Debt app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.